Active and creative.
Please subscribe.
Hello little buddies, welcome back to Active and Creative. Okay, this week we will learn how to draw fruit, and we will start with the orange. Yes, with an orange. Oke, jadi little buddies, kita bakal mulai menggambar ya. Kita mulai menggambar dengan buah. Kita mulai dari yang paling mudah, yaitu menggambar jeruk ya. Oke, untuk anak-anak yang di kelas A, ini jeruknya lebih simple, lebih sederhana. Oke, langsung aja kita mulai. Let's get started. Let's make an orange now. Okay, so this is a class for A class, so for younger kids. So I will be using this big or bold marker. Oke, jadi ini buat kelas yang anak-anak kelas A ya. Jadi kelas A itu buat anak yang lebih muda, lebih kecil. Saya pakai ini spidol yang besar. Oke, langsung aja kita mulai. Oke, yuk ikutin saya ya. Oke, let's go, follow me kids. Just make a circle. Oke, just like this. Okay, now do something like this. Okay, and one more here. Okay, satu lagi di sini ya. Oke, kalau udah ditutup. Oke, so this is your first orange. Okay. Okay, so here's your first orange. Very easy to do, right? Okay. Okay, now let's color it. Right now, what is the orange color? Of course, it's orange, right? So let's take an orange, your oil pastel. Okay, and we need a darker orange, so you can use these two colors. Okay, let's do with the darker one first. Okay, color it on side, at the side like this. Okay, now do a lightly just don't push it all the way. We're going to blend it later, okay? Jadi memang kita warnanya tipis-tipis gini ya, untuk campurnya nanti kita blending. Okay. Okay, so we got the darker orange color at the bottom and the side. Okay, so we're going to blend with the orange color. Make a circular movement. Jadi kalau mau blending ini gini ya, diputar-putar kecil-kecil. Nah, oke, diputar-putar terus. Okay. Here also we want to blend this, so make sure you make a circular movement like a small circle. Yeah, like a small circle. Alright, then just fill in the rest. Oke, jadi dipenuhin ya warnanya semua ya. Oke, jangan lupa yang rapi. Don't leave the white spot. Oke, fill in the white spots. Okay, here your first orange. Okay, just using these two colors, right? Okay, now we're going to color this one, this part, using green color. Okay, so the color will be green, right? Color will be green. We take another color, the darker green. I'll be using this one. Okay, this looks good. Okay, let's see at the side. Okay, and blending it again. Okay, let's blend it. Make a small circular again and fill it all the way. Jadi tetap gerakan melingkar kecil-kecil ya, little buddies. Oke, jadi cuman pakai warna ini. We are only using these two colors for the orange and these two colors for the green part. Okay, that's all. Here's your first orange. Thank you for watching. Alright, little buddies, thank you for watching. Don't forget to keep practicing and help me to subscribe for more videos. You can follow our Instagram too at activeandcreative.id. And for parents and teachers, you can upload your kids' artwork on your Instagram or Insta story and tag us also. See you on another video and keep active and creative!